Students, I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to create magic number 1089. How we create this magic number, I'm going to tell you. Firstly, what you have to do, you have to take any 3-digit number. Let us take 269. But one thing should be remembered, the difference between the ones and hundreds place digit must be at least 2. As you know, this is ones, tens, hundred, right? So the difference between ones and the hundred place digit must be at least 2. As you can see, when we subtract 2 from 9, means when we subtract this 100 from this ones, what we get? We get, yes, 7. So this is more than 2. So by this you can take any 3-digit number. Now after that, what you have to do, you have to reverse the number. Means this number you have to reverse. So after reversing, what we get? We get 962. Right? And you have to find their difference, means we have to find their difference, means we have to subtract this number from this number. So firstly we write its place value and then we start subtracting this number. Can we subtract 9 from 2? No, we can't subtract because this 2 is smaller than 9. What we have to do, we have to take borrow from tens, but tens is also having not more tens, right? So we move to 100. So 100, here it become 8, and this tens taken borrow from 100, but this one's also taken borrow from this. So here it become 5 and here it become 12. So when we subtract 9 from 12, what we get? We get 3. So we write 3 to the ones. Here it is 15 because it already taken borrow from 100. When we subtract 6 from 15, what we get? We get 9. So we write here 9. Now move to 100. When we subtract 2 from 8, what we get? We get 6. So we write here 6 to the 100. So what we get? We get number 693. After that, what you have to do, you have to reverse the difference. After reversing the difference, what we get? We get 396, right? And you have to add it to the original difference. What is the original difference? That is 693. So we add this reversing to the original number, that is 693. So we write its place value ones, tens, 100, and we're gonna add these two. So what we get? We always start from the ones. So 6 plus 3 gives you 9. So we write here 9. Now move to the tens. 9 plus 9 gives you 18. So we write 8 here and 1 carry forward to 100. So after adding on 100, what we get? We get 10. So we write here 10. Right? So in this way we create this magic number 1089. Right? So you can take any another 3-digit number and create this magic number. So try to do this by taking another example, by taking any 3-digit number. But one thing should be keep in mind, that the difference between the ones and 100 place digit must be at least 2. So you can create this magic number by taking any 3-digit number. So try to do this by your own. Thank you.